In this video let's meet a group of pretty plants that add strange, and even repulsive, odors to the garden. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Number 1. Shasta Daisy. Old-fashioned daisies are a must-have plant in cottage gardens and make a great addition to bouquets. At least as far as looks go. Not all, but some daisies bring a stink to the garden and bouquets that resembles either cat urine, toe jam or cow manure, depending on whose nose is sniffing. This makes sense, since flies visit the blossoms to help with pollination. Not all varieties are malodorous. Buy daisies in flower so you can test drive the scent. Plant number 2. Lantana. Heat and drought tolerant, Lantana provides steady summer-long color in areas with even the most sizzling summers. The flowers shift colors as they age and beckon butterflies by the dozens. Sandpapery leaves conceal a somewhat pungent surprise. Brush against or break Lantana leaves, and you'll encounter an odor that's somewhere between cat urine, gasoline and fermented citrus. Plant number 3. Flowering pear. Spring brings a burst of color when flowering pears, Pyrus caloriana, break bud. These trees are urban favorites, and the fruit beckons wildlife. While the white blossoms are beautiful, they release a less than pleasant fragrance. Some say it smells like cat urine or fish that's been left at room temperature too long. Chemically, the culprit for the foul smell is butyric acid, a compound found in vomit. Plant number 4. Crown Imperial. A stunning late spring bloomer, Crown Imperial, Fritillaria imperialis, is famous not only for its unusual look, but also for its unmistakable aroma. The scent typically earns descriptors like foxy, sweaty or sulfurous and permeates every part of this plant. Even the bulbs reek. The culprit behind the stench is a sulfurous terpene, which is likely present to repel hungry critters. Plant number 5. Sea holly. Sea holly provides the missing blue element in perennial gardens during summer's brightly tinted flower show. But think twice before adding the prickly steel blue blossoms to bouquets, because the pollinators that flock to these flowers are flies. Globe thistles smell like dog or cat poo. Florists do use these blooms in arrangements, after washing off any pollen that's present. Apparently that's the smelly component. Or simply pick flowers before pollen appears. For sure, don't plant these near a seating area. Plant number 6. Detura. This tropical beauty has a host of names, including thorn apple, green dragon, devil's trumpet and stinkweed. Trumpet-shaped blooms open at dusk and release a heady perfume. The leaves, on the other hand, emit a strong, offensive odor when jostled or crushed. The smell is similar to rancid peanut butter.